Good morning, students. How are you all? And coming back to the principles of management subject. And today's class we shall discuss about management. Is management art, science or profession? And in the previous class, we have done with levels of management and also the skills of management and their importance. And today's class we shall discuss is management and art, science or profession. Coming to the management as an art. What is art? To know management as an art, we need to know about what is an art. Art can be defined as systematic body of knowledge which requires skills, creativity and practice to get perfection. So what is an art? Art requires a skill, a creativity and it is a practice in order to get a perfection. And we shall also look into the features of an art in order to know what is an art. So the first feature is art is a systematic body of knowledge. So art is a systematic body of knowledge and it is personalized application. The third one is it is based on practice and creativity. So from this we get to know art requires a skill. It is a creativity and to get the skill and creativity, continuous practice is required in order to get the perfection. Management as a science. To know management as a science, we should also study what is science. Science can be defined as a systematic and organized body of knowledge based on logically observed findings, facts and events. So what is a science? It is a systematic and organized body of knowledge and which is based on logically observed findings, facts and events. And science comprises of exact principles which can be verified and it can establish cause and effects relationship. So we know that science is a systematized body of knowledge and which is having logically observed findings. And it also consists of exact principles which can be verified and can be established cause and effect relationship. We have also come across Newton's third law. What does it say? For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. That means Newton has observed and he can also verify and prove himself the exact relationship. So management, we also call management as a science since the management also considered as a systematic and organized body of knowledge and where we observe findings, facts and events. Management as a science. The features of science are, it is again science is a systematized body of knowledge and scientific principles are derived on the basis of logical and scientific observations. Principles are based on repeated experiments and these principles are universally applicable or having universal validity and replication is also possible in science. Management as a profession. So we call the management as a profession as well. And to know that whether management is a profession, we need to study about what is profession. Profession can be defined as an occupation backed by specialized knowledge and training in which entry is restricted. Right. And and profession. It is an occupation backed by specialized knowledge and training. The main features of profession are: the profession is always well-defined body of knowledge, and it is a well-defined body of knowledge and restricted entry, presence of professional associations, existence of ethical codes and service motive. These are the principles of profession. So, in today's class, we have come across management as an art, management as a science, and management as a profession. And management is treated as art, profession, as well as science, since the management comprises of all the features of art, science, and profession. So only we treat this management as an art, science, as well as profession. Thank you, students. Meet you all in the next session.